Hey there, this is a quick video for the AI Agent Capstone project for the Google and Kaggle AI Agent course. So my name is Adam Killam, and what I built was a really basic accounts receivable AI agent. So the problem that a lot of companies face, small, medium, and large companies, even enterprise businesses, they face the challenge of needing to get cash in the door faster. And oftentimes, this is a very manual process with a small or large team of accounts receivable staff. And they follow up with invoices that are overdue using emails. And so they have to keep track of everything. They often have to provide reports to their superiors. And it's a very time inefficient, manual, and boring process. So the vision here would be to create an agent or a team of agents that basically handles that entire process. But for this project, I created a small system. So there's an orchestrator agent, which is the main controller, and it loads invoice data, manages the workflow, and delegates to sub-agents. There's a triage agent or an analyst, and it receives raw invoice data and uses Gemini to classify the status as overdue, due soon, or okay. And then there's an email agent, basically the copywriter that writes messages that are to be sent out to the client. And then there's some tools. There's also some demo data in the form of an invoices CSV. That's in the GitHub as well. I used Cursor to build this because I am new to coding and I'm totally learning how to build AI agents, but also learning to code. And so I used Cursor to put this together and used Gemini in Google AI Studio as my coach. And so I fed it the course documents and outlines, and it basically walked me through the steps of setting these things up. And so I didn't write a single line of code, other than typing commands into the terminal inside Cursor. And basically I built this very basic system and then pushed it to GitHub for the project. I unfortunately did not have a demo, but I think I covered most of the other points. We talked about the problem, talked about the architecture. And why agents? Well, agents because most systems are basically they're just deterministic. They follow a set system and they follow up on, they use a Dunning schedule or whatever, and they follow up and basically follow using a template. But the vision here with agents is that they could intelligently understand emails coming back to them, messages coming back to them, and then adjust the status of an invoice based on what the client is saying. Now, this project didn't get that far, but that would be the future vision. Thanks so much.